Hey guys, iPhone 16 has already been announced, okay? So when it comes to iPhone and new phones, usually we think of one very important thing, which is protection. Correct or not? Okay, so in this video, we want to talk about protection for your new iPhone 16. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So as I mentioned just now, the iPhone 16 has already been announced and I just only came back from Apple Park to witness the announcement at Steve Jobs Theatre.
The next generation of iPhone has been designed for Apple Intelligence from the ground up.
Okay, now that you've seen the announcement and the launch, okay, let's talk about protection. And when it comes to protection, one brand always comes to mind, which is Casetify, okay? And they have released some amazing accessories for the iPhone 16 this year, and I think they are all inside here, okay? I just received this and let's unbox it and see what's the content. So the first thing we want to see from the box, okay, is this one. This is a brand new casing for the iPhone 16 Ultra Bounce case. It's very bouncy definitely because it has all this protection at the top and also at the bottom corner. And of course here we can see the Casetify logo around the camera panel, okay? So this Ultra Bounce case actually has more than 30 feet of drop protection, okay? And 10 times of military grade standard. That also means it is very tough, very durable, okay? And of course, if you see inside here, there's this little card by Casetify that says this case was made for you. Aww. Okay, so we quickly look at another accessory first in the box, okay? And this is the brand new Ultra Bounce carabiner, okay? So this one helps us to carry the case so that we don't have to hold it. Okay, so later I show you how to wear. Now the next accessory is called Ultra Bounce Utility Lanyard, okay? So as you can see here, at both ends, they have this dual lobster clasps. Okay, I like to say the word clasps like that, okay? So this, they call it lobster because it looks like the lobster punya tangan, you know, so you can actually clip it to the Ultra Bounce case to carry the case along, and also you have iPhone 16 inside, of course, so you don't have to hold it with your hand. So we can actually adjust how long or how short we want depending on our style and also our mood that day. And here we can actually see that there are multiple loops, okay? So what are these loops for? It's for us to hook on our, accessories and whatever lah, or you tapao tapping, you want to hook on here also can. So just in case, okay, you think the Ultra Bounce case is not to your liking, don't worry because Casetify also got another one, and this is called the Bounce case. It looks a little smaller, a little slimmer, and the little bouncy parts at the corner also a little bit smaller, okay? Hence, the drop protection is up to 21.3 feet. And this one, it has 6 times military grade standard. And compared to the previous generation, this is actually 5% slimmer and 11% lighter. Of course, there are many colorways that you can choose from the website, okay? This is what I actually picked for myself. Now let's look at another case, and this is called Impact case, okay? This is actually my all-time favorite. It's not the latest one that they launched this year, but they have this every single year and they upgrade it every single time also, okay? And this one is for the iPhone 16. Now as you can see, why I say iPhone 16 there, because on the side here we actually have a cutout for the camera control. So when we are holding it, we can actually reach out to the camera control very easily, okay? Now let me show you how to use the brand new Ultra Bounce case and also the accessories, okay? So if you're interested in getting any of these cases, okay, click on the link in the description below because you will get a 10% discount. So don't waste, okay? Go and click and buy so that when you have your new iPhone 16, you will have protection straight away. Okay, so that's all for today. In this video, I showed you some accessories and casings for the iPhone 16. So if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!